Hi friends, so today is actually Tuesday. Monday I didn't actually vlog. I was in the mood. I think Miss Flo and Akam. I don't know, but I was in that mood. So anyway, today is Happy International Women Day. Today is the 8th of March 2022.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget your golden.
And currently I'm having my yogurt. Yeah, so this yogurt by the imepanda. Woof, imepanda. The last time we were buying this ilikuwa I think inatoka 100 bob ama 120, but saizi ishafika 150. 150 kwa duka, si kwa supermarket. So yeah, but where so today I'm planning to go to yesterday I actually was planning to go and drink soup, but actually nilisahau. So that will be tomorrow's plan. And also I want to go and buy braiding hair for my hair, and the third thing also I want to buy tights. Maybe all this weekend I'm going to be traveling. I don't know, bado tujafinalize vitu zote, so maybe naweza travel, maybe naweza kosa, I don't know. Kulitenda hiyo kuku imedecide tu ingie kwa vlog. So I think I'm going to take you along with me. Who knows? And also ni bomo yenyewe like imeshaanza kubit like and I can't like be doing this kapati. Yeah, also I want to wash my hair, so but washing my hair I'm not going to film. I think so. Yeah, I'm not going to film that. I have so many videos on my YouTube channel, but maybe I will film because I've changed my wash routine or something here and there, just some few things here and there, but we'll see. So anyway, currently I want to just watch Netflix. Netflix unaitwaje? Netflix series I'm watching. Ni Valeria, I think so. That's the name. Yeah, I'm watching that show, and it's pretty nice. And I wanted actually to do laundry today, but your laundry nitafanya nikibuy hizo nguo ndo nizioshe like na zote plus the clothes that I actually showed you all. So yeah. So let me snack on my yogurt. And am I the only one who likes like taking my yogurt with a spoon? Yeah, kwanza if it's like from the fridge. I love it. Since so it's like a couple of hours since we talked, and it turns out I'm not going to go to that adventure. So I want to cook chicken with waru, and that's what we are going to be having for dinner. Yeah, so I'm just cutting it like, okay, I'm not the best at cutting chicken, but anyway, we do what we gotta do. Yeah, so I'm just cutting. You can cut like so, or just poke. You just poke. Yeah, so for the spices to enter the inside the chicken, you don't want like the spice to be just on top or whatever you are with. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. So let me just finish up and then cook together. Maybe I show you one or two things. Yeah, and don't mind that we still don't have the curtains for this room. Yeah, by now if you're not new here, unajua that's our curtains.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness face of all that is blackness.
Hi guys, let me just put you a little bit where you're supposed to be. So hi friends, so currently it's at what time? I think 10, inaelekea 10, and I want to go to sleep. And let me tell you, the food was pretty amazing, and the spices that I just put in the chicken is ilikuwa to garlic and ginger, a little bit of ginger and garlic, and chicken masala, and that's it, and salt, I think so. Yeah, and the food was pretty amazing. And fun fact, ziliungua, but anyway, it's okay. So currently, like I said, I want to go to bed, but I'm full. And guess what, as I was cooking, this is the pineapple and coconut nini. Actually nimeona watu wakitry this, but I haven't even thought of purchasing this pineapple and coconut yogurt. Well, I wanted to try it today, but I'm going to do it tomorrow. Test this and see whether it's delicious or just something that I won't even consider like purchasing. So that's that. And I'm going to be doing this here tomorrow, but funny thing, to me cancel we were supposed to go like on Sunday, but anyway tulikuwa tunaenda like a road trip, but imebidi to cancel because of one reason and one reason here and there. But anyway, I'm still going to be undoing this here. I hope now I'm not going to be lazy to undo this here, because it may be like, are you all seeing how bit na vile okay, you can continue, like ni just just sprain it kidogo, and then maybe trying to make like this, lay your edges and all that stuff. But I'm done that. Like I want now to actually wash my hair.
The next day. Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
I want to show you how like I'm using the laptop. As you can see, this is not the proper way of using the laptop, but my eye doctor told me once, like when you're using the laptop, you should make sure, let's say your eyes and the screen ziko 90 degrees. So I think this is the best that I can do to achieve that. But yeah, So this is my meal, hata sijashika, and nimeonjonja nyama obviously, and this is how it's looking like. Yeah, so, and let me show you the vlog that I'm actually editing. So if you have watched this vlog, okay, I think like all my videos inakwanga all about it because hata hapa nakula. Anyway, this is what I'm having. So I'm just editing this vlog, yeah, and this is the like the struggles are anyway, yeah.
The next day.
So me and my messy band, this is how I'm wearing my hair because man untidy, and I want to do it next week to actually undo it next week. Today I wanted to go to Kamkunji, but he's all like or two inatuma mtu postpone vitu, but anyway, so today I'm actually washing the refrigerator. I'm just waiting for it to defrost the nini, the frozen ka area hapo, and then I finish washing, and in the meantime I want to make a smoothies, yeah, for the whole family. And I have like I'm going to be using, like, you see these two things, but zikuwe kubwa. Let me just go and show you. And yeah, so the last time you saw, like, yesterday's pork ili slap ilikuwa tamu sana, but today what I'm having for lunch is the leftovers for lunch, which si nyingi, so I'm just going to have me and my brother, and then mama tajisort, imagine. So let me just go and show you. And aki kichwa inaniuma, like my head is like all over the place, but I think ni specs, I need to change them. But yeah, so, and also I think also it's the game I've been playing, lakini nimekuwa addict to your game and I need to delete it. Mangoes, pineapple, watermelon, tomato fruit, passion, milk. Obviously I'm going to add more milk, and in here this is for later on. I have bananas, sweet melon, and pineapple. And pineapple, yeah, this is what, and this are the containers that I'm actually going to be storing them in. I'm going to just show you in a bit. Yeah, so let's start blending.
6 a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits.
Let me start over here. So this is rice, this is ugali, this is the one that for siagarin, yeah. Sijui ni grade gani. So, and also this is rice, that is unga ya uji, yeah. And here, this is where I've decided to place these things that we normally use in the morning. Soya, this is chocolate. But then there was a time I was really obsessed with soya, I don't know why, yeah. And then blue band, and then zesta. I love zesta, this and this, yeah. So now let me show you on top of the fridge. And also this biro ni ya kuandika vitu, in case, I think I should put here sticky notes, so if it's a note you're leaving someone. So inside here is where we started actually the video, inside my fridge. And basically these are oh my god, I can't talk, it's at night. These are the things that we actually did meal prep. And this is, like, you see githeri, this is ile ya black, the beans for black, ile njahi. This is, you can see what those are. These are also githeri. These two are githeri. This is sausage. I think this is also githeri and githeri. In here I only have water, yeah, like ice cubes. And then this is like what we actually prepared earlier, and as you can see, I took a long time to just like, you know, wash the fridge, so hence these things zili start browning, but this will be done by tomorrow. And then this is chicken, which iko mtu anakujia. And also this is milk. We had two bottles of milk. This is ours, the rest imekujia still fruit. Down there ziko veggies and all that. This other side you have 2 eggs. This is smoothie water. Yeah, this is the smoothie that we made. We already like drank we already drank like one smoothie. We have bread. This is, I think, smoothie. This is the yogurt I'm actually trying to drink. I'm going to actually try it tomorrow. Yeah, but I'm not going to put this in the vlog. If you follow me on the Instagram, Toyona, I'm not going to put it on my YouTube channel. And then ketchup. What? Not ketchup. This is choma sauce, the kawaida sauce. So in here we have soya sauce and then soda. So basically that's our you know, that's basically our mini fridge. Yeah, so I know you have seen this black thing. This black thing, our fridge iliharibika like some few years ago, and haiko ina like, you see like this part, yeah, haiko inatoa hiyo, so we had to repair it. And as you can see, this is it green, that green thing, hiyo ndio iliekwa ili seal. And also our door, also this thing ni the person who actually did make the fridge alieka, and it was doing okay, and then ikavunjika when we were opening, because also this tunini ilikuwa ime freeze or something like that, so it no longer works. But yeah, we work with what we have. We can't just put a fridge because of these small things. So today is actually the next day. Yesterday was Sunday and today is Monday, and I want to actually now undo this here. It's been a while, so I have my scissors and also my glass of yogurt. I decided to put my yogurt in this glass because I want just to be extra. And today I'm from like Kamkunji, and I've like recorded a separate video on that, so maybe I'm going to link it up over here or in the description box below, so check it out if I don't join this video and that video together. Yeah, so that's basically what I'm doing. And as I'm doing that, I'm just waiting. I want like my the video for today, because this last week I just uploaded one video only. That was the first time I've uploaded one video the whole of this week. So today I want to start the week on a high note. I didn't think like we're going to be coming back home this early, but yeah, so that's what my plan is, doing that. And this is actually homemade yogurt, very sweet, strawberry flavored. Yeah, so kindly subscribe if you haven't, like, comment, do all the stuff. And as you can see, in my hair imepita like that moment. I was actually to undo this hair last week, but last week I had so many things. First of all, I was to go to Kamkunji last week, not this week, but things do happen, and then you postponed actually things. But hii nywele nimesema silali nayo. It's just looking a bird.
I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say.
So hi, I think I'm feeling like editing the vlog right now here. And let me just say this, like after I'm doing this here, my scalp ina feel like kauchungu kidogo, nikiandu nilikuwa nasikia uchungu, and also my ends ziko so dry, and some over here nilikata nywele yangu, like I think I was watching YouTube videos. So basically after nimetoka Kamkunji nilikam, I took my breakfast, chilled kidogo, and then I started undoing the hair as you saw from the previous clip. And then I wanted to do like the haul before I start putting the things away, cause nikizipeka ni hivyo, maybe nitaoneshananga maybe kwa vlog, like for example if I'm using this kwa vlog na nasema maybe by the way I use this, I bought this at Kamkunji or something like that. So I was avoiding that, cause there's a video that I have 2 videos that I should do, like the try on haul, and I'm feeling like I'm not going to do them, those 2 videos, but I still want to do them. Yeah, and I'm feeling like, let me, instead of making them 2 videos, let me just combine them to be just one quick video, of which I'm going to do that after I've like done my hair and all that stuff. That video is like I think a month like ningefanya, but anyway, here we are. And if you watch like that haul, this is one of the items that I bought, if it can focus. Yeah, ama if bado the vlog haven't like dropped it, that's one of the items that I actually bought at Kamkunji. Yeah, so anyway, let me just put these things down, things away, cause hey, this week imeanza like hectic. So basically that, yeah, tomorrow I think I'm going I think I'm going to do my laundry, cause hey, nguo zangu zimeanza kupile up, ama nizifanye leo usiku, si ndio?
Yes.
Nimi unanisikiliza? I think I'm going to do them tonight, ama niziamkie kesho asubuhi, cause stima ya KPLC, I was supposed to actually do them on Saturday, but KPLC li decide utafua. But I'm just here to end the vlog. I hope you have subscribed. I hope you have liked this video. Please comment down below anything about this video. But yeah, I'm going to see you on the next one. Yeah, and also I'm loving this top. Yeah, hii top nilikuwa nimevaa, naipenda cause si lazima like you wear a bra or something, maybe kukiwa na baridi or something, but si lazima. Yeah, naipenda sana. I bought this kitambo, not kitambo, actually last year. But anyway, now I want to wash the dishes because I didn't actually do that. Maybe I will bring you along, but si lazima. The dishes are not that many. Also, the things that we have actually bought, I need to wash them. But anyway, subscribe, like. I don't want to talk too much. Please subscribe, like, share, do all the stuff. Until the next one.